Lexi, foot on the brake.
On the brake.
Pull that up to drive.
Okay.
Black Corvette requesting front of pack. My pit boss, he's not in my field of view. He's a guy that looks a lot like me, but he's wearing a floppy bucket hat. Video is rolling. I'm Todd. I'm here with Alexi. We are in. Let's roll out, Alexi. Okay. We are in a Z06 Corvette, black 86, here at Hedge. Remember our cone colors: double yellow lift, red's brake, orange is turn in, green is apex. Follow that livery Dodge. And if there's any passing to be done, I'll let you know what I need, and I'll get my hand over near the wheel.
Thank you.
Here the one time, I think it was last year, so I still feel like I'm learning this track.
I think last year was the first year they used this one.
Yeah. And I think we were the first body they allowed to use it besides their club.
An incredible race course.
Yeah. Curious to see the other half of it sometime.
Yeah, same.
Moderate speed until he knows all the cars are on track. Go ahead and get up to him though. Good. And turn in for the green. That's a gas. That's a gas. Bad day for me.
I never want to. I'll stay back a little bit.
So you can go ahead and just be cautious in the braking zone, because he's trying to pace you. So if you slow down, he's going to slow down. Melting off, get down the hill. surprised he didn't call me on the radio. It's part of his job. He said, "You doing okay back there?" We brake required.
That was a bad line, shit.
Eyes up, George. Turn it in for the green.
Thank you.
Touch grass. I don't think that's what the kids mean. He's probably going to fish, which means he's going to go really slow out of this corner so we can have a sprint on the straightaway. Nicely done, Lexi.
Except for getting a little silly, that was fantastic.
Yeah.
I thought it had a little bit more grip when I started getting into it, unfortunately.
All right, near that red cone, I've got a photographer working.